Hello folks, and today I would just like to tell you a story about the Severn Valley Railway. Sit back like I am and relax and enjoy the story. Once upon a time, and this really happened by the way, so once upon a time just before 1963 I think, a person started ripping up miles of track on different lines, and when it got to the Severn Valley Railway, the Bewley to Shrewsbury line, he started to rip up that line, and he'd already ripped up all the way to Hampton Road, and then 8 people met in the Cooper's Arms together and talked about some problems, and he said, if we don't do something about it, nobody will. So they were all talking about what to do, and then in 1963 he went to talk to them. They went to talk to them, and they were prepared to listen to them. So in 1963, they found out that they wanted to build back to Bridgnorth. So they went to Bridgnorth Station to have a look themselves, and they'd already ripped up to Hampton Road. So and they wanted to go back to Bridgnorth and build the line back up to Bridgnorth, but they realised it would cost them £36,000. So they all worked together, got the money, and then in 1967 the line finally reopened, and the first ever train ran through Bridgnorth. The 3205, the first steam engine to go to Bridgnorth in 1967, and then later, a few years later, about just under 2 decades later, they decided to build a line from Bewley to Kidderminster. And so in 1985, they built a line from Bewley to Kidderminster and started to run the whole line from Kidderminster to Bridgnorth. And the first train to go out of Kidderminster was the 49:30 Hagley Hall. So they reopened that in 1985, and then next July, I think, will be the July the 6th, I think, if you know anything else about it, I think it's the 42 anniversary of Kidderminster. I think it's the 42 anniversary of Kidderminster on July the 6th next year, 2026. If you know any different, please tell me in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe. Why not like and subscribe? It's just a click of a button. Bye guys.